Hello, everyone. I'm Muhammad Asif from Group 6, along with Harsh, Naveen, and Imad. Our group is delighted to present to you the different aspects of Team Nike. First of all, I would like to explain the introduction, team analysis, and the top 6 behavior of Nike. Moving to the next slide, please. Here we will discuss Nike exemplifies exceptional team behavior that contributes to their global ongoing success. Nike, a global leader in athletic footwear, apparel, and equipment, owes much of its success to effective team dynamics and collaborative innovation. This analysis examines 8 key aspects of team functioning within Nike's organizational structure, providing insight into how their team operate to maintain competitive advantage and drive corporate success in the global marketplace. Their team demonstrate clear purpose through their mission to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. Mutual trust is the evident in their collaborative design process where team members openly shares creative ideas. Their commitment to innovation manifests through constant experimentation and risk taking, particularly in the product development teams. Communication excellence is maintained through structured feedback channels and regular cross functional meetings. Nike teams embrace accountability through their performance tracking system and clear role definitions. Finally, attention to result is paramount with teams focused on measurable outcomes, ranging from product performance matrices to consumer satisfaction scores. These behaviors collectively enables Nike to maintain its position as industry leader despite intense marketplace. It's conclude from my side. Now over to Harsh.
Okay, coming to the next slide, that is the inclusive team behaviors. Nike has made significant strides in fostering inclusive team environments, particularly following public scrutiny for their corporate culture in 2018. Meeting structure have been redesigned to ensure all voices are heard, with facilitators trained to draw out contributions from quieter team members. These inclusive behaviors have resulted in more innovative products that appeal to broader consumer demographics and have strengthened Nike's brand positioning as a company that values diversity. And then coming to the next slide, that is process versus content. Nike team demonstrates sophisticated understanding of the distinction between process and content. Their product development team utilizes a structured innovation process called Nike Explore, which separates ideation phases from evaluation phases to prevent premature judgment of creative concepts. Team leaders are trained to recognize when discussions need to refocus from process rather than content, particularly when teams become stuck on a specific design elements or market approach. While still meeting critical business objectives and timelines, contributing to their ability to consistently release groundbreaking products that resonate with consumers. And now coming to the next slide, that is the forming, storming, norming, and performing. Nike's project team clearly demonstrates Tuckman's team development stages. During the forming stage, new teams engage in comprehensive onboarding process that establish project scope and individual roles while building initial relationships. The storming stage is actively managed through structured conflict resolution protocols and open discussions. Teams entering norming phase by codifying agreed upon working methods and communication standards often documented in team charter. In the performing stage, Nike's team achieve high productivity and creative output exemplified by successful product launches and marketing campaigns. This understanding allows them to address regression to earlier stages proactively and return quickly to high performance. And that's all from my side. The next slide will be presented by Imad.
Thank you, Harsh. Yeah, my name is Imad, and I'm going to discuss about organizational culture and diversity. Nike's organizational culture emphasizes innovation, excellence, and competitive spirit, reflective of its athletic roots. Nike has worked to diversify its workforce, particularly in leadership positions, recognizing that diverse teams produce more innovative outcomes. By expanding cultural values to its and explicitly include inclusion alongside traditional values like innovation and excellence, team leaders receive specialized training in navigating cultural differences and leveraging diversity as a competitive advantage. These efforts have resulted in teams that maintain Nike's distinctive cultural identity while benefiting from broader perspectives and experiences. Coming to the next slide, team synergy and conflicts. Nike teams experience both remarkable synergy and inevitable conflicts. Synergy emerges through intentional cross functional collaboration, such as when designers, engineers, and athletes work together to develop revolutionary footwear technologies like Nike Air or Flyknit. Uh, Competing priorities between functions, tight deadlines, and creative differences, Nike has developed sophisticated conflict management approaches that distinguish between productive creative tension, which they encourage, and destructive interpersonal conflicts. Also, team leaders are trained to recognize early signs of dysfunctional conflict and intervene appropriately, ensuring that conflicts serve as catalysts for innovation rather than obstacles to progress. Coming to the next slide, conflict management styles. Within Nike's competitive culture, multiple conflict management styles are observable across different teams and situations. Accommodation is strategically employed when senior team members mentor junior colleagues, temporarily setting aside their own approaches to develop future. Nike leadership encourages team to concisely select appropriate conflict management styles based on situation analysis rather than defaulting to personal preferences, leading to more effective resolution of complex challenges. That's all from my side. I'm going to pass this to Naveen. Please go ahead.
The next slide is key elements of a team performance. Nike's highest performance teams consistently demonstrate several critical performance elements. Clear alignment with organizational objectives ensures teams focus on strategically important initiatives. Complementary skills within teams combine technical experts, market knowledge, and creative capabilities. Mutual accountability is enforcement through transparent performance metrics and regular peer feedback. Effective decision making process, balanced data driven analysis with creative institution. Resource adequacy is carefully managed with teams having appropriate access to information technology and support. Finally, psychologically, safety has been increased, emphasized, creating environments where team members feel safe to take risks, share unconventionally ideas, and learn from failures together. These elements enable Nike's teams to consistently deliver exceptional performance in highly competitive global marketing place. And the next slide is finally conclusion. Nike's approach to team management demonstrates sophisticated understanding of team dynamics across multiple dimensions. By effectively implementing these 8 aspects of team functioning, Nike maintains its position as an industry leader through continuous innovation and performance excellence. This experience provides valuable lessons for organizations seeking to optimize team effectiveness in challenging creative environments. Thank you all. And finally, any questions? Any questions on
No,
this?
we're good.
Thank you. It was a great explanation. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Have a
very
great
Thank you
day.
much.
so much, all. Thank you
Thank
so much.
Yeah.
you.